Hi everyone, welcome to Walton Presents Rise Above All, powered by Frutica in association with RTV. সবার প্রথম যার ইন্টারভিউ নিব is none other than the amazing ঝাঁকানাকা রাবা খান. Hi.
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
ওকে সো তুমি আমাকে একটু বলবা তোমার এই পুরোটা জার্নিটা উই হ্যাভ সিন এভরিথিং অন সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া রাইট হাউ ডু ইউ ফিল অ্যাবাউট ইট
I feel like আমি যখন থেকে স্টার্ট করেছি তখন থেকে তো I put myself out there because of this. So I have no feelings. My feelings are that this is exactly what I planned and this is exactly what's happening.
You are basically like an inspiration to all the little girls out there in the country. So how do you feel about that?
What I feel is I feel like I have a responsibility. কারণ এখন যেহেতু girls look up to me, they look for inspiration from me. I feel like I have a responsibility to make sure that whatever I do, I can, make them proud in some way or the other. So I feel like there's a lot of pressure, but I absolutely love it.
Thank you so much, Raba. It was wonderful talking to you. Thank you for being with us.